Greetings, fellow traders. Baldwin here. It's time for the Lunchtime Market Update for Thursday, September the 2nd, 2021. I hope everybody's having a great trading day today. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. So please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, well, let's check and see where we are at the market here today. So SPX guys up 15 points. Monthly chart turned to green. Weekly chart still green. Daily chart still choppy, but green. With a fresh all-time high, right? So imagine that. Elliott wave count, guys. Yeah, well, there goes the triangle, right? So basically, to me, it looks like this. We had an A, B, C, and this looks like a 1, 2, and maybe we're slowly grinding our way up on a wave 3 thanks to the gap up. The gap up helps us look at that this is a possible. I'm just gonna remove this triangle right here. It was fun. It helps us look to see, right, if it's a wave 3 or not, right? So having a nice gap up like that is pretty bullish, right? So I mean, we could be doing a couple things. We could be doing a 1-2, 1-2, but again, I'm still generally expecting kind of some choppy price action going into the weekend right here. So you can see this is kind of a 1-2, and then we'll see if we work on this a larger wave 3 up. Let's see what we have going into the rest of the day and tomorrow. Let's take a look at SPY here. Again, very low volume here today, so not really too super duper excited. We're just kind of chopping around here. We had a little bit of a channel kind of breaking down, but no volume, so just blah. S&P futures again just kind of range bound here today so far. A little bit of a mini triangle, but a nice bull flag breakout pre-market into the jobless claim numbers here. We didn't get too much of a number on that, but it is the lowest since the start of the pandemic. So we got that going on. MES again still just chopping around here. Qs. Relative weakness on the Qs here. Basically at the gamma flip level right here. So let's see if we can hold and get above it. We're seeing a lot of the tech names that are testing their gamma flips and having trouble bouncing. IWM grinding its way up here. Nice relative strength on this one here today. The XLF generally hanging in there, pretty supportive of the market overall. The VIX a little bit perky, but not really too much movement. Apple up a little bit here today, but no fresh all-time highs, but it did give a nice push at the open there. Tesla just grinding here today. Oxy. So the oil names were actually strong this morning. We pointed out Oxy today. It's getting some really nice follow through. Pointed on the live stream. So it's really rare, but hey, if you see strength in the oil sector, this is a great name to look at, right? The other one was XOM. A couple of ones to look at here too. You got Bitcoin. So Bitcoin doing great, guys. We were over 50,000 a little bit earlier. I just like what it's doing right here so far. It's over the ADMA, nice green day. So let's just see if that can continue. Let's take a look at Amazonius. Amazon with an inside day right here. A couple of requests out here. Amazon. It's given a great move here so far. It's looks like it's calming down. Maybe it's going to pause for a couple of days and then maybe work on the gap fill next week or the following week. Boeing starting to show some strength here this morning. So finally breaking out of this consolidation range. Let's see if that continues to get any follow through to the upside. Sphere 3D Corp. Look at this thing go. Look at that. Got really tight there off the 80 MA. Some good volume coming in this one. Big push on this one here today. Roku, poor Kathy, we got 180-degree reversal on this one today, so that's not going good for her. Facebook, some relative weakness here today, guys. We actually thought this was an interesting one here on the short side, too. It had trouble bouncing this morning. Netflix. Again, fresh all-time highs on Netflix, guys. Really incredible stuff. This was an amazing move, right? You had this breakout move. Now, normally Netflix is not going to break out instantly, right? So it took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days for just kind of like chop and blah, right? And then you had this nice strong candle right here, and then things just kept on going. And it broke out. We thought it was on the live stream the other night. Really broke out of a weekly breakout right here at the 569 level, and there it is. Boom, all-time high. So really cool stuff there. Anyway, guys, great stuff. Appreciate the requests. Hope everybody's a great rest of the trading day today. Just generally, I mean, it's a couple little bearish volume, but there's really no volume coming in today. So let's just see how things go, and hope everybody's a good rest of the day. Stay healthy out there, and remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game.